The cabin air filter in your 2019 Tesla Model 3 cleans the air entering your car's interior. Over time, it gets clogged with dust, pollen, and pollutants, reducing airflow and air quality. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that improves air quality, HVAC efficiency, and reduces allergens. Tesla recommends replacement every 15 to 30,000 miles or annually, depending on your driving conditions. Before starting the cabin air filter replacement on your 2019 Tesla Model 3, gather these essential tools and materials. You'll need new cabin air filter, Tesla part number 193278-A or compatible, Bosch K&N. You'll need screwdriver set, including magnetic screwdrivers. You'll need trim removal tools, plastic pry tools to avoid scratches. You'll need vacuum cleaner for cleaning the filter housing. You'll need optional gloves and mask for cleanliness during replacement. Park your Tesla Model 3 in a safe, well-lit area. Turn off the vehicle completely and engage the parking brake. Ensure the HVAC system is also turned off to prevent dust from circulating during the filter replacement. Open the hood to access the filter housing. The cabin air filter is located under the windshield, inside a black plastic housing behind the glove compartment. To access it, you first need to remove the lower dash cover. The lower dash cover is held by 2 screws, one on each side. Unscrew these first, then gently pry off the cover using your trim removal tools. Work carefully to avoid damaging the plastic components. Once the dash cover is removed, locate the filter housing lid. It's usually secured by plastic clips or screws. Unclip or unscrew the lid. Carefully pull out the old cabin air filter. Note the filter's orientation. Arrow indicates airflow direction pointing towards the cabin. This is crucial for installing the new filter correctly. Now that you've removed the old filter, it's time to install the new cabin air filter. Take your new filter and insert it into the housing, making sure it's oriented exactly the same way as the old one. The most important part is the airflow direction. Look for the arrow on the filter. It should point towards the cabin, ensuring clean air flows properly into the vehicle interior. Once the filter is properly seated in the housing, secure the housing lid back in place. You'll need to clip it or screw it closed, depending on your Model 3's configuration. Reattach the lower dash cover, securing it with the 2 screws you removed earlier. Close the hood of your Tesla Model 3. Start the vehicle and turn on the HVAC system. Set it to recirculate mode to check for proper airflow and ensure no unusual noises are present. If applicable, reset any service reminders via the touchscreen under Controls Service. Regular filter changes enhance battery efficiency by reducing HVAC load, potentially saving up to 5% energy in polluted areas. Clean the filter housing with a vacuum before installing the new filter to ensure optimal performance. Consider upgrading to a HEPA filter for enhanced air purification that captures more particles and allergens. Tesla's newer models feature smart filtration with air quality monitoring through the vehicle's touchscreen. Future trends include advanced antimicrobial and nanofiber filters, as well as subscription-based filter services for regular replacements. Aim to replace your filter every 10,000 miles if you drive in a polluted area, or more frequently than the standard recommendation.